In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly where the flip controls live and how to mirror your image horizontally or vertically without getting lost in the interface. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Move your cursor over the area dedicated to images. This is where OpenArt keeps the tools you'll need. As you hover, you'll see options related to working with pictures. You're looking for the editor that lets you modify an existing image rather than generating something new. Go ahead and click Edit Image. This opens the workspace where you can make adjustments. If the interface looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Just look for the editing canvas and the side toolbar, which is where the essential tools are located. Now, upload your image. You can drag and drop a file from your computer or use the Upload button to browse. Most common file types will work. For best results, choose a clear, high-resolution image. If this is an important photo, consider working on a copy so your original stays untouched. Once the image is loaded, look to the left-hand side and select the Crop tool. Even if you don't intend to crop anything, this is the spot where OpenArt places the flip controls, so you'll use it as a doorway to the mirroring options. With the Crop panel open, click Flip Horizontal. This mirrors the image from left to right, like placing it in front of a mirror. It's great for changing the direction a subject faces or balancing a composition. Keep in mind that any text or logos will read backward after a horizontal flip, so check those details before moving on. If the flip options close after the action, click the Crop tool again to reopen them. Now choose Flip Vertical. This mirrors the image from top to bottom, which can create a reflection-like effect or correct a composition if you need a different vertical orientation. After flipping vertically, make sure horizons, faces, and other elements still look natural. You can apply either flip on its own or combine both for a complete mirror in both axes. Feel free to toggle between them to preview the result and use undo if you change your mind. That's it. You flipped your image in OpenArt using the Crop panel's horizontal and vertical options. Once you're happy with how it looks, continue with your usual editing workflow or finalize the image as you normally would. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating clean, mirrored visuals with confidence.